All right, so here we are. We're back in the asparagus bed today. Things are starting to come back up, or still coming back up rather. So just gonna play in the dirt a little bit. Biggest reason for being here today is I found some strawberries, and we're gonna get those planted in among this asparagus bed, and we're gonna have an asparagus and strawberry bed. Put everything right through here. I'm gonna fill a lot of this in with dirt. This isn't really an asparagus bed update per se, but things are coming along. I've got some new asparaguses going, but we're gonna put these strawberries in and hopefully get a good companion crop with these asparaguses. So let's get going. Just gonna fill in some dirt here. Around this asparagus, and when we get done with all this today, we'll water in again. Constantly watering this stuff. I got some other stuff to water too. So we'll be carrying water again today. I carry water most days. It's good exercise. Get a lot of this kind of flattened out where I want to get where I'll be doing the strawberries. Everything's kind of flat anyway. Camera fell down. Okay, so it looks like we have two different types of strawberries. We got these red flowers and these ones with the white flowers. So I'm probably gonna do red, white, red, white, red, white. And it appears I have in each of these pots 1, 2, 3 red ones and 3 white ones, if I'm remembering right. So I'm gonna get some holes dug. I'm just gonna get right in here with my hands. It'll be 1. All right, looking good, looking good. So we're gonna try to get these out of here. I'm just gonna, let's see if I can turn it up. All right, see if we can get them apart. I don't really want to damage the roots any more than I absolutely have to, but I want to get them apart. There's one. Make this a little bit deeper. I have now planted my first ever strawberry bush. Look at that. Strawberry bushes. Woo! Makes me happy. One of these other ones. And you see, the theory is that these will spread. They have runners. That guy there. So they'll shoot these runners out, and as the runners go, they'll make new strawberry plants in the future. And more strawberry plants is something I will not complain about. Strawberries, like asparagus, is a crop that will produce year after year. You do not have to replant them every year. And from everything I can see online and read and videos I can watch, they are very good companion plants. The strawberries will help keep the weeds out. And the strawberry roots don't go super deep like the asparagus roots, so the roots won't be fighting. So they should be really happy here together. I've actually got some more hay in the truck. I'm gonna go get that, and then I'll mulch this in, and we'll give it a good water, and gotta water some other stuff. But I like it. I like it so far. Asparagus are popping up. We got a good companion crop for them. Okay, so I've got everything planted in. I got some hay. I'm gonna mulch this in with hay. I've got my request in at chip drop. I do not have any chips right now. That would be awesome. So I'm using hay until that happens. I'll put a dab of water on these just to get some straight in the dirt. The hay will help with the weeds. It'll help retain moisture for the plants here. Same as the wood chip would do as mulch. You use what you have. I can get hay, and it's not very expensive. So. Okay, so that's about it for the asparagus and strawberry bed today. I'm gonna get some water on them. They're all mulched in. I appreciate you guys stopping by. How about give me a subscribe, give me a like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.